Good morning, Kuwait. So today is January 2, 2022. Okay, and time check, it's 8:54. I'm almost late in my work. And it's raining very hard. See, there's already water down, and I'm afraid that there will be flood and much traffic. Oh my God. See, in front. See. Oh my God. I will be late or I will not go work today. See, it's already here. It's can see. Oh shit. See. Oh, too much rain. See in front. God. Oh, how are we going to reach in our work? Uh, see the water. Oh my God. You should go in the other side. Mm. Maybe I will resume my work 10. Too much rain. Maybe only in this area because this area is down. I don't know that there is this rain this much. Oh, too much. There's already ocean here. There's already ocean. This one is in Farwania and going to Omaria side. Okay. As you can see, I hope you will not pass by in this area because it's really flooded. cars, they cannot pass by on that. And this one is in Farwania, going outside to Umaria side. We stuck there for almost like 10 minutes, 15 minutes. Be careful. Take care to all the drivers. It's already. You cannot see in front already. I feel like it's already night. Not visible, maybe 10 meters away. You cannot see already in front because of this much heavy rain. It's already 9:02 and I'm already late. God. Hey, Kuwait. I feel like I'm in the Philippines. Kuwait. I feel like I'm in the Philippines. I thought. God, I'm in the desert, but it's too much flooded and too much rain. This. Cannot even see in front. There is already up and some cars already stuck there. So this is Gasali Road and it's too foggy. You cannot even see in front the cars. So this is Shuaik area. And thanks God, not too much traffic compared to Farwania. We stuck there for how many minutes? Oh my God. I'm almost near in my company. Thanks God. There's no too much flood here, but for sure near the Canary Drive it's already flooded. Ouch. Alhamdulillah, there's no flood here compared to Farwania.